before why I was become a non-partisan, why I always to be non-political. Just to know, I've been told that from J. Rick Silva and Ate Mirasol Siako, we have to be non-political. And I am want to demand to Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, please delete that post about against Duterte. Because people up there, even the Duterte supporters, are very angry at you because magagalit sila sa iyo, like I said. If I'm telling you, Mark Cruz, delete that post. I am begging you because I'm not picking you a fight. Because why I bash you in social media, Mark Cruz? Because you are wrong to posting against Duterte in Instagram in threads. Why I harass your family members? Oh, Mark Cruz. Because you're bashing against Duterte supporters. You're bashing against the Duterte siblings. Oh, that's why people there, they're angry at you. If I want to say to you, Mark Cruz, delete that post. Even Rene Bartebonia, delete that post. Because the everything I could just say, it's really nonsense. And I say again, this is really bullshit. I've never say that bad word. Sorry, Paula Nunez. Sorry about. I apologize to you, Paula, if you're watching this video. I am reprimanding Mark Cruz. I am criticizing Mark Cruz for posting nonsense. It's really nonsense. We have to be non-partisan. Like me, I never post about nonsense in Instagram's thread. Because Instagram, I say again, Mark Cruz, I always to be non-partisan. For example, look at Eskel Penumbra, and Kuya Dan Mardayaw. They are non-political. They are non-partisan. Even Cedric Mariano, Miggy Labitag, Jens Manaid, Buddy Castro, they are non-partisan. They are non-political. Even Paulo Siaco, Yana Siaco, Ate Mirasol, they are all non-partisan. They are non-political. We have to be non-political. If I just want to say to you, Mark Cruz, I just want to demand all the demands. You need to delete the post against Duterte. Teacher Jessa Fernandez, she never post against Duterte. Because I know I accuses her, I bash her in social media, I criticize at her because she is wrong to post against Duterte. And she has to be non-partisan. She has to be non-political. That's what I say again, Mark Cruz, ha? Can you be a non-partisan too, Mark Cruz? You're damaging the reputation of the Duterte siblings. Now you see, the Duterte supporters are very angry at you. I already told that to Kuya Park official. I just said to him, yang si Mark Cruz talaga pinopost ng kung anong nonsense against about Duterte. It's about against Duterte. Because he's posting nonsense. Because I told to Kuya Park official, I told him, if Mark Cruz posting lots of nonsense, if I say again, sinabihan ko kay Kuya Park official, just telling him already, pag pinopost na naman ng kalokohan si Mark Cruz, I say again, Sunugin mo na lang ang bahay niya, like I said. Because people there, they will mob at Mark Cruz's house. They will arson his house. It's really nonsense. Oh, for me, Mark Cruz, I am telling you, you need to stop posting nonsense. Do not involve Rene Bartebonia. Do not involve Divine Adili. Do not involve Sara and Paulo and Basted Duterte. Do not involve Rodante Marcoleta and Alan Peter Cayetano. Remember, Mark Cruz, the Duterte supporters are very angry at you. Even the fans of Rene Bartebonia, they are still angry at you. Not even just that. The Spedmotics of Jerick Silva are very angry at you. Because you're posting nonsense. How many times I've been tell you, Mark Cruz, you don't listen to your parents. You don't even listen to your family members and what you're posting at. Because why I bash your family members? Why I harass your family members? I'm just saying again, Mark Cruz, you are wrong for posting about nonsense. You're posting nonsense against Duterte siblings, the children of Rodrigo Duterte. Rodrigo Duterte was in The Hague, in Netherlands. And he was still in prison. Do you think you really want to manipulate against Duterte siblings, Mark Cruz? Remember, Mark Cruz, Shania Kiana is a Duterte supporter. Even my friend Kuya Park Official was also Duterte supporters. There are lots of Duterte supporters out there, Mark Cruz. Even Jens Manaid, even everyone, they're all Duterte supporters. Jens Manaid, he is also Duterte supporter. Oh, even his parents are Duterte supporters. There are lots of Duterte supporters. Even Teacher Jessa, Sir Calvin Cuevas, they are Duterte supporters. Cedric Mariano, Dan Mardayaw, they are Duterte supporters. All of them are non-partisan. They will get angry at you, Mark Cruz. If I say again, Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, alongside with your pathetic ally, Carl Vilus, you have to stop posting nonsense. Otherwise, you might get yourself in trouble. They will bash you. I've been experienced that the time I've been bashed by supporters of Donald Trump, that I call Donald Trump an asshole word. Oh, now you can see I was being bashed by Trump supporters. Oh, I mean, I'm not saying I've sided with the Trump supporters. Oh, I'm not sided with the Biden supporters. I always stay neutral. I am not picking any side. I always stay neutral. And I always to be non-political. I am not siding with the Marcos loyalists. I'm not siding with the Duterte supporters. As I am a Duterte supporter, I am a non-political. I am non-partisan. Mark Cruz, can't you just stop posting about against Duterte? Just like I say again, just like millions of the Instagram threads are reading this. Daming kaya binabasa ang pinopost ni Mark Cruz ng mga kalokohan, like I just say again, nagsumbong pala si Kuya Park Official dahil kay Mark Cruz. Nag-post pala siya ng nonsense. You know, it's really nonsense. Oh, you know, for me, I am just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, you need to stop posting nonsense. Stop posting all of over your nonsense. Because you're posting about nonsense over at Duterte siblings. Don't you even know, Mark Cruz, that Sara Duterte, that was an idol of Shania Kiana, Jens Manaid, Nanay Net, Ate Isa, and Ate Hana, and Kuya Mel, and even the parents of Jens Manaid. Diyos ko, Mark Cruz, you don't know what you're doing. You're bashing Sara Duterte. What if I say again, Mark Cruz, pag nakita mo si Sara Duterte, like I say again, suntok ang abot mo, Mark Cruz. Like I was told by Jerick Silva. Because you know, I just say again, Mark Cruz, ikaw ang bastos. Ikaw ang walang ya, like I said. You know, you always criticizing Nguyen Pongkan, and you calling her a kettle cow. That sounds disrespectful. You don't even know, Mark Cruz, that there is an Anti-Safe Space Act? Don't you even know that I was sent by David Gill? There was an Anti-Safe Space Act or Bawal na Bastos Law, which was signed by the time of Rodrigo Duterte. Diyos ko, Mark Cruz, you don't know about Bawal na Bastos Law. You are criticizing Nguyen Pongkan and you calling her kettled cow. That sounds very disrespectful. What if you say that to Natoy Pushkin-Koba, calling her kettle cow? She's also from Czech Republic. You were saying about nonsense. You're politicalize everyone. You know, Mark Cruz, stop making nonsense. There is an Anti-Safe Space Act. You know me, I never intention to say to bash the Miss Earth title holders. I never want to bash them. I never bash Mina Suchoy. I never bash Nguyen Pongkan. I never bash Natoy Pushkin-Koba. I never intention to bash anybody. If I were you, Mark Cruz, stop bashing. You are a bully. If I want to tell the evidence anyway, you know Christian Mingito, who created that Rocky Tulog, that fake account on Facebook. It wasn't Teacher Gio Malana. That account anyway, it's from Mark Cruz. You created the Dragon Inclusion Philippines. It wasn't Dan Mardayaw. It wasn't Cedric Mariano. It's totally Mark Cruz. You're the one who started this, Mark Cruz. You're the one who started this chaos since 2019. You're the one who started it during pandemic. That you're the one who make a Facebook page of Dragon Inclusion Philippines to ruin Mrs. Annie Gill. And remember, the fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill, it wasn't Dan Mardayaw. It wasn't Cedric Mariano. Hindi po sila yon. Kung sino man, like I just want to tell, it was Mark Cruz. It was your fault, Mark Cruz. And you're the one who started this trouble. Even you argue at Juan Carlo Pabale, and you call him Carlo Pabale palpak, and you calling Ryan Chris Lucero traitor. Who's the traitor anyway of Fans Inclusion Philippines? It was you, Mark Cruz. You're posting about political in Instagram threads. And at least the Instagram page of Fans Inclusion Philippines of Roydan Marlang are non-political, non-partisan. Oh. Roydan Marlang is non-partisan and non-political. Just like Kuya Bear, he's also non-partisan and non-political and is not related to politics. If I say again, Mark Cruz, if I want to tell you something, ikaw may kasalanan. That is your fault. You're the one who started this chaos. And I know I blame Mark Cruz for creating a fake account of Rocky Tulog. And that wasn't Teacher Gio's fake account in Facebook. And I was told by Teacher Gio Malana, I thought it was you. It wasn't me. Oh. And who started this? And I say to Teacher Gio Malana, it was Mark Cruz. Oh, it was Mark Domingo Cruz started this. Oh, you're the one who created the fake account of Rocky Tulog. Oh, if I say again, Mark Cruz, aside you deactivate the fake account of Rocky Tulog, Mark Cruz, can you please delete that your fucking post about against Duterte, and even that your nonsense about your post against Duterte, it's all nonsense. It's all nonsense. Kalokohan yan, like I said. If I just want to tell you, Mark Cruz, stop posting nonsense, you know. I am telling you, Mark Cruz, if you post about against Duterte, I will tell this to Kuya Park official and the DDS supporters to mob and raid the Mark Cruz house. And also, and another one part, the part is, he will be mobbed by Duterte supporters. Kukuyugin siya ng mga DDS supporters. Susunugin nila ang bahay ni Mark Cruz sa San Pedro, Laguna. If I am warning you. They will arson your house. They will mob you by Duterte supporters. And I am telling you, Mark Cruz, you need to stop. Tumigil ka na sa pagpapost ng kung na anong nonsense. You know, for me, you need to stop.